world, everyone's always busy. College students rushing to classes, office workers running to meetings, and parents handling family. Life is
And when life is busy, standing in long bank lines become very difficult. Sometimes the banks are too crowded and sometimes we don't even get time to go.
By modern life needs modern solutions, something faster, easier, and always available.
Something that saves time and give us freedom to do banking from anywhere.
Something that not only helps big companies but also small vendors like me.
Simple solution is internet banking.
So what exactly is internet banking? It means doing almost all your banking work on the internet.
Use your mobile phones or computers to check bills, pay money, or pay the bills without visiting the bank.
It's almost like carrying your bank in your pocket whenever you need it.
The best part is it's open 24 hours a day, even on Sundays and holidays.
As a student, my day is full of classes and assignments. Earlier, checking my bank balance or paying fees meant half a day gone. But now with internet banking, I can check my balance and pay my fees while waiting for the bus.
It saves so much time and energy.
Students can also set alarms to get messages whenever money comes into their bank account. That's very useful.
I run a small cafe. People nowadays don't carry cash, but they use UPI, and with the help of internet banking, I get a message that I've received the payment.
So that means no problem of carrying change, no risk of losing cash, and a clear record of all your payments.
It's simple, smart and safe even for small shops.
So I work in an office and when I schedule is tight, I hardly have time to visit the bank. But I have to leave to update my passbook and visit the bank.
But now you can do everything online.
Yes, sure. Now I can make my payments of my rent, electricity bill, download all my essential documents online, and it's all done in speed. And online payments are quick, so you don't even need to.
Parents live in another town. Earlier, sending money was like waiting for days and filling forms, but with the help of internet banking, when I transfer the amount, they receive it.
This is so helpful in case of emergencies, especially for families living far away.
Distance doesn't matter anymore. Support reaches on time.
No, I can't share OTP. And never share the OTP with your closest friend also.
City online link. Can you click on it?
No, it looks suspicious. Don't click on unknown links or messages that look strange.
As a tech guide, always say that internet banking is very safe if you use it carefully. Keep your phone locked, keep a strong password so that you don't get scammed.
It saves time.
It helps small businesses.
It makes payments quick and easy.
It helps family living in long distance.
It puts banking at your fingertips.
It makes daily life simple and smooth.
Banking is easy, safe and smart. Start using it today and make your life better.